everyone, welcome back to AD's channel, and today I'm going to take you all with me for a screening. I am going with my best friend Karishma. After a really long time, मैंने Karishma को ऐसे randomly पूछा, I was like, you know, I'm going for a screening. Do you want to join in? So she said, yes, why not? It's been a while. So इसी बहाने से ही, because I've been traveling also a lot. Alhamdulillah. Just ऐसे ही नजर ना लगे. So I've been traveling lately, and I had gone to Udaipur for a wedding. It was amazing. It was so pleasant there, and it was so cold. But बहुत मज़ा आया. I made new friends as well. It was exciting. It was fun because मैंने काफ़ी टाइम बाद ऐसे मैं कहीं गई हूँ जहाँ पे like मेरे फ्रेंड्स नहीं हो, मैं किसी को इतना नहीं जानती. So I came back yesterday, and today I told her कि चलना जाते हैं हम, and then I was like कि ठीक है, I'll vlog as well, क्योंकि मैंने उदयपुर में vlog नहीं किया because मुझे ऐसे था कि you know I just didn't want to be in everyone's face, या फिर मैं खुद I just wanted a getaway, so I just didn't vlog, and I uploaded videos on Instagram, so you can check my photos and videos on Instagram. Yes, I won't talk much. I will take you all with me. We are 6:30 तक पहुँचना है, so it's 5:45. I am on time. Yes, I am. Wow, मैं जब से लेंस में देख के बात कर रही थी. Anyway, so I have to go pick her up. Ignore the mess because जैसे ही मैंने कहा आपको कि एक organizing video is going to be up very soon. That's only gonna happen if I go sit and do all this. But वो मुझसे हो नहीं पा रहा है. Travel है इसलिए, और there are a lot of other things also lined up. But anyway, I'll take out time and make that video priority पे. I think वो भी करिश के साथ शायद होगा. I'm not sure. If you're watching this, then Karish, jaldi. So yes, let's go. This is what I'm wearing. It's a cute dress and flip-flops. Comfy because I'm just going to watch a movie. चोर अफान था यहाँ पे. और इसको देखो, मेरे मोमो के बाल कच्ची है, ट्रिम कर दिए बुब्बू को. बेचारा मम्मी ने कहा था कि थोड़ा सा ट्रिमिंग चाहिए, तो उन्होंने तो पूरा ही ट्रिम कर दिया बेचारे को. But just remember guys, never make fun of them because they too have feelings and they get to know कि आप उनका मजाक उड़ा रहे हो. And especially cats, because ये मेरे साथ पहले हुआ था, हमने मस्ती में थोड़ा ये किया था. But never make them feel like that. They are lovely as they are like this. क्या बोला पता नहीं, but okay, let's just go quickly and let's just go and pick her up. That's my best friend Karish, जो पानी के बिना रह ही नहीं पाती है. कभी नहीं. Stay hydrated guys. बिना पानी के कभी नहीं रहेगी है, और इसको भाई यही पानी चाहिए. ओह, अनलॉक भी करना है. सॉरी. हाय,
Hello YouTube.
हाय.
Dude, my makeup is popping in your camera.
Wow,
It's looking fabulous.
It's a G7X bro.
Wow, I love it. Hello. हो गया था.
बट मेरे बेचारे व्यूअर्स बोलते हैं हम परेशान हैं तुम्हारे ब्लॉग से, क्योंकि तुम्हारा आधा टाइम तो ब्लर रहता है. वाओ, द स्काई इज लुकिंग प्रिटी.
Yes, and so are you.
Very long time since we've gone out together.
Yes, facts.
Yeah, facts.
Wow, we're both visible now.
Anyway, you have to tell them where are we going.
You're supposed to tell them everything.
I told them थोड़ा बहुत things.
So, I don't know. WhatsApp दिखा. I'm like, so but I'm like, मुझे पता नहीं WhatsApp को chat दिखा तूने. Actually, what happened is
Screening के लिए जा रहे हैं.
it's so funny because like Anam just messaged me saying, are you coming for this? I want to go. So I'm like, when? Because it seemed like a plan for a later on, okay? And she's like, अभी 6 बजे and 4 बज रहे थे. तो I was like, हाँ, okay. And I didn't know what is this? Is it an event? I thought उसको movie पे जाना है with the best friend. Normal people things. And the next thing I know, she's like, okay, get dressed up. We're going, and I'm like, public event? What? I just wanted to go with you. So from like being in pajamas.
She thought that I booked the tickets for her.
Yeah.
And she got so excited. She was like, yeah, wow, ये मैंने कहा screening है, sorry.
And so then I had to do this whole dress up, show up, and now, yeah.
Yes.
Now socialize also
हाँ,
possibly.
क्योंकि हम दोनों का है ऐसा problem. We never dress up together. We are always meeting like chilling at home.
Yes. What's up?
Mona.
Two. So what is the first part? So you're taking me for a part 2 of some movie I have no idea about. And it's animated stuff. Like that's going to be so funny.
Animated is fun, यार.
I'm not saying it's a bad thing. I'm saying at least पता होना चाहिए ना relevance.
Wrong pronounce नहीं करना इसलिए.
नहीं मैं बिल्कुल बोलूंगी. 1 मिनट कुछ लिखा ही नहीं है ना, but actually Moana 2 I think.
कहाँ से जाने Fun Republic left की सीधा?
सीधा जा. बंद कैसे?
It's a chill scene only.
No one is.
Sorry. Actually हम दोनों को बहुत social anxiety है.
So much, but I'm awkward We're not awkward people, but it's just funny. I don't know.
I get awkward. I don't know why. But
No one people friendly like that.
Please do not record anything. We would really appreciate your keeping your phone.
alright, bye.
The movie was very cute. I think it was very nicely
Yeah,
shot
but
or
we-
whatever edited also. You should watch it if you like animated movies. I'm sure kids are gonna enjoy this. So cute animation, and if you like animated movies, you should watch it. We just
Because it's a cute movie, yeah. But the movie was really cute.
Yeah, the
so
movie
y'all
is
should
cute,
watch it.
huh?
Yeah, but I
Adorable.
think we just wanted to go and eat somewhere.
It's so cute, adorable girl.
I think I dressed up for this.
Yeah, you dressed up for us to go grab a
Yeah.
fun meal and have a fun time. Okay, so we're gonna see you there, man. And I'm in like a lot of traffic, but always so entertaining. Just look at the amount of people on the road. Like,
Amount of people.
and what's your reason? I told her इतने सारे लोग हैं road पे यार, and she went like, what's your
I said
reason?
it's 7:40 ना, that's why maybe. Office वगैरह से छूटते हो गए ये वो.
Yeah, that's true though.
Yeah.
But she said it in a very funny manner, and I should have captured it. Just like 2 minutes पहले मैंने कुछ बोला, and she's like, I wish vlog on होता. But वो real moment तो skip ही हो गया ना. अब हम acting कैसे करके दिखाएं यार? Now we're so hungry that we can't.
She's already. You have to tell them.
So I call the restaurant and I'm like, listen, ये order ready रखो हमारा हमारे, and please ये डब्बों में पैक मत कर देना क्योंकि मुझे वहाँ बैठ के खाना है. तो he's like, okay, he's repeating my order and I'm like, आप ये सब छोड़ो, आप डब्बों में मत पैक कर देना मेरा खाना, मुझे बैठ के खाना है. And the panic was real. Like I said, अब वो recreate नहीं कर सकते.
But हमने
तो
पहले ही ऑर्डर कर दिया है. So that वहाँ जाके
बहुत
सीधा.
भूख लग रही है अभी ना.
स्पून क्यों रखा है समझ नहीं आ रहा ब्रो.
Yeah, that's funny. We'll call auntie and we'll ask कि यहाँ पे spoon क्यों है. Meanwhile, we're moving finally.
बंद भी हो गया एक सेकंड.
Are you kidding me? How did the signal shut while we are still here? There's too many people.
No. Bro, look at this guy.
I got that on camera. ऐसे लगेगा तू वो influencer होता है ना जो driving का accident record करता है. Imagine that happens to you and why? Because of me. Oh God, I'm the one who makes like jokes about these things the most.
But alhamdulillah, I've never crashed into.
Yeah, alhamdulillah.
Or
Yeah.
a vegan.
Don't feel like jinxing that at all right now,
No,
but
but I'm
good
a very
thing,
safe
yeah.
driver like
Yes.
that.
I agree. She's
You
even
should
wearing her
know,
seat
you
belt
know
and
better,
it's
हाँ.
yeah. मैंने randomly camera on किया था and she was wearing it. So it's not like she put on a show or anything. That's a good girl we have there. Very safe and all that. Influencing correctly. Love that, darling. Love it.
Thank you. तो मैंने और करिश्मा डिसाइड किया है कि हम व्हाइट लामा है. Yes, we are here. There's no proper light, but ठीक है. तुम्हें झूले पे बैठना था ना? No, you came here for this. I know. You wanted to sit on the swing. I know. There's no cushion on that, so I don't think that will hurt you. I feel.
Okay, I'll make him get the cushion. You sit till then.
No, I don't want to sit. Why are
Hungry.
you not using my camera?
The camera is troubling me with the focus and all of that. So I'm just here with my phone getting cute videos of you.
I'm so hungry. I can't wait to eat.
I know, same. And the food arrived.
Okay, we'll meet you
Fabulous. Now when I do this thing, and you can eat. So Anna, when I do this thing, when we get like food, not that we're not mannered enough to pick up plates. There are plates, there is a choice. But we'll just like start talking, we dig into spoons.
Yes.
And we just eat. Aesthetic who? Why? Is it needed? No. Silly girl.
A few moments later.
She's so sly. She's
that's
so
your
sly.
side.
She put all the food on this side, okay? And then she's telling me, hey, you finished your side of the food, huh? I finished my side. And what was her side? And she's telling me, wait, I'll take some more from this side. And she took like 4 grains of rice like this. And she's like, yeah, now finish this. What?
I'm done. I'm so full.
Sly darbar.
So full, but you so full. So हमने सारा कुछ फिनिश कर दिया है. Wow, like good girls.
You good hungry girl.
Good hungry girls. और एक तो ये पिंपल मुझे इतना अनॉय कर रहा है. Dinner is done. We are out for a drive.
Yay, fun! And if she sees traffic on the road, वो मुझे गाड़ी से उतार देगी and cut to traffic on the road. What? This is crazy. So we are done with like eating, and now we are on our way for a very very fun drive. But the only reason now,
driver, not too long.
वो तो चलो बात की बात है. कब घर पहुंचेंगे is a separate decision for a separate day. But what my
I think I will throw up. I've eaten so much.
yeah, she's feeling so full, but so am I. Like, what do I mean by she's feeling full? I'm dying too.
Oh.
But the point is that that's how we do it together.
Yeah.
And now we're going for a drive, and we would like to show you what we do on a drive. That is jam and all of that. But the thing is that copyright लग जाएगा. तो
Let's get to the point.
so नहीं हो पाएगा. तो आप ही देख लो, हम ऐसे चिल कर रहे हैं और मजा आ रही है.
हम ड्राइव करते करते बांद्रा पहुंच गए और हम अभी ताज आए हैं. वी बोथ वांटेड टू बी, सो वी जस्ट केम हियर एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू एंड द व्लॉग एंड वी आर गोइंग बैक होम. शी इज कमिंग. 1 minute, wait.
What are you doing?
I'm just ending the vlog now. So I hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye.